The judge in a torts case has the ability to award punitive damages in addition to compensatory damages, as well as legal powers to award money damages. The judge has equitable powers and is able to issue injunctions, restraining orders, and other equitable remedies. Compensatory damages are designed to return the injured party to the position they were in before the tort occurred. This includes compensation for property damages, medical expenses, and lost wages. Punitive damages are designed to punish and deter others from causing injury. The remedy in a U.S. torts case is generally a single judgment. Future medical expenses and other costs resulting from the injury are estimated, and a single one-time award is made to compensate. The courts do not want to have to monitor ongoing payments or revisit the same case more than once. The U.S. single judgment doctrine is consistent with the compensation model used by litigation attorneys. The attorneys are paid a percentage, usually in the region of 1/3 of the total award, so a single judgment pays the attorneys upon completion of the case. See the slideshow on remedies for more information on this topic.